Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. It's time for your love bite now. These are general collective readings, Scorpio. Will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's see what's going on in your love life now, Scorpio. If there's any message that you need to hear, so just a little mini check-in to see what messages are going to come forth for you today. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Scorpio, let's start with our angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll start your tarot. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Scorpio gang, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio. This one, all right. Scorpio, let's keep this one aside and put the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Scorpio, is Speak Your Truth. So if you've been keeping anything under wraps, Scorpio, or if somebody is trying to intimidate you, don't be threatened, don't be worried, just speak your truth, okay? So here it is. I'm going to put this here. Let's see what is this truth that Scorpio needs to speak now, and yes, what's it going to be about? Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel, your comments, your likes. It really keeps me motivated, and also a big thank you to all the ones who've sent donations to the channel. I'm very grateful, and a big thank you to all of you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. Scorpio, I don't know why, suddenly there's a pressure on my voice. I mean, I can't speak, if you can make that out. It's like an effort to get my voice out. And when I see this card, it kind of tells me that, right? Speak your truth. So it's almost like somebody's trying to push somebody's voice down here. I just can't speak. I don't know what happened. It's an effort to get my voice out. So let's see what's happening here, Scorpio. And if you're new to the channel, of course, do subscribe to the channel. Join us. We welcome you in. And if you're looking for a private reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So maybe it's time to end some type of cycle, Scorpio, maybe a certain way of doing things. When the world card shows up, it doesn't mean cutting somebody else out of your life, not all the time at least, but maybe a certain way of the way you deal with a certain thing. So it's time to cut out that maybe and start a new chapter or a new cycle and do things in a different way. So let's put this here as well. The first card I have for you is the Page of Cups, Queen of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Justice in reverse, Ace of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Right, so somebody has done something, and maybe their partners kind of pulled back their love. They are feeling left out, abandoned, and neglected now. They want to end some kind of fight. Whatever has happened between the two of you, it's been very unjust. But somebody here does want to kind of reignite this relationship. They want to work on it, because I think by the end of it, the partner who is coming, maybe who wants to apologize, is the one who's now feeling like they lost, right? They were the ones who were trying to play mind games or do something which was unjust, but now they feel they've lost, and they've lost their happiness, their security, or their foundation in some way. So let's take some dialogue message cards, Scorpio, and see if you or your person could say something to each other, what that would be. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person, their innermost thoughts, Spirit. Let's take a few more from here, Scorpio. Okay. One more. All right, so Scorpio. The first card I have here, Scorpio, for you. When you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. So there was somebody really good in somebody's life, and I think they did something which was very harsh, which was unjust, and now they've kind of lost their person, because that person is saying, yes, you were right, I was only trying to be good to you. I never meant you any harm. I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. I think this person is finally realizing the folly of their mistakes. They know how they've pushed maybe their partner away, or the person who was good and true to them, what they've done, and they are, I think, in remorse now, going through the entire episode, I think, in their mind, and feeling quite bad about it, but they still don't have the strength right now to face their person, because they know it's not going to be easy, right? Because they know they've been wrong. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. So maybe this was the underlying energy as to why this fight happened. Maybe the fight wasn't about their partner being with someone else. Maybe that was the thing that pinched their heart, and they brought it out in different ways, right? It's like when you don't want to admit that you're jealous, but you start complaining about maybe the weather, or if I have a fight on politics or something. But the underlying energy maybe was that this person was extremely jealous because they thought their partner was slipping away from them and maybe going off with someone else. Next card. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. So here comes again that twinge of jealousy. So jealousy was the underlying reason I think this fight ever happened. Okay, maybe they didn't express it outwardly to say this is the reason, but the whole problem was that one person was feeling very jealous. Your ego is fucking irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in, we could be a strong power couple. Again, it's the same thing. Somebody is not allowing the other person to be 100% in. Maybe they have offered just to be a friend and be there or whatever, have a working relationship, and not allowing the jealous person to become a partner, if you know what I mean. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? Doesn't that round up this entire conversation, Scorpio? So somebody has done something which has been not very nice, and they've done it because of their own sense of insecurity and their own sense of jealousy. Maybe they haven't even told their partner what the reason was, or they loved them, or they want them to be in their life, but they've assumed and presumed that they should just understand and be willing to partner up with them maybe, and not have to say anything. But now, because of their jealous streak, they've created some very bad rift. Maybe they've said a few things which has hurt this beautiful Queen of Cups here, who's, I think, withdrawn her energy and is no longer giving to the connection now. So somebody, I think, has an apology or sorry on their mind from this. Look at the way they're facing each other, Scorpio. Page of Cups to the Queen of Cups. So somebody wants to come in and say, hey, listen, I feel, I'm sorry I hurt you. I left you out, or now I feel hurt, I feel abandoned, I feel neglected because I don't feel your energy anymore. Page of Cups, Spirit. What's this Page of Cups for Scorpio? So Scorpio, this could be you. This could be your cross watcher. I could be picking up on anyone's energy. But you did see, right? Now my voice is coming back slowly. Initially, when I started, it was almost like there was a ton of weight on my throat chakra. I could barely get the words out. So this person is having a lot of trouble. They are not being able to come up with an apology because they're very ashamed of their actions, and they're silent due to going through the dark night of the soul, feeling like on an emotional roller coaster and not having the strength, just as I didn't have to speak the words, right? So yes, this person wants to start something new again with this Queen of Cups now, and they are thinking about an apology, I think, because they feel rather embarrassed, sheepish, and ashamed of their actions. Isn't that the same thing that was said here? I feel deeply ashamed of my actions. Okay, Six of Wands in reverse. They feel embarrassed, ashamed, and they say, this person is saying, I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? Queen of Cups, Spirit. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is done playing with these toxic games, because I think the Queen of Cups was so loving, so kind, trying to do the best, and not understanding why this person hurt them so badly. They did nothing to deserve it, except that their partner was, I think, jealous, assuming and presuming that maybe this Queen of Cups was highly attractive, admired, beautiful, and didn't want to be with them. But this Queen of Cups is like kind of dusting their hands off this person and saying, I release this toxicity from my life. This person is very intuitive, Scorpio, so this could be you. This is a person who doesn't suffer fools very easily. They know, they are very spiritually guided. They are, yes, they are attractive and beautiful and maybe in high demand, but they don't suffer fools, right? So like they're saying, your ego is fucking irritating me. So I don't think I want to deal with you anymore. Five of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody did something really nasty, maybe with their words, maybe with their communication. I think this is the masculine here who came across as very cold, who maybe said a few very hurtful and demeaning things to this beautiful Queen of Cups. And underlying energy was that they wanted this Queen of Cups. They wanted to build a family or build something solid with this Queen of Cups. But the way they came across as very harsh, rude, mean, and hurtful, okay, it's almost like, okay, the other day I was listening to something, and there was a story, not a story, I was watching this movie where this little boy who goes to the playground, and there are a group of children playing there, right? So there's one little girl who's in her pigtails and got these little pink ribbons on. This little boy, actually, he's about 5 years old, 5 or 6 years old. He actually really wants this girl in the pink ribbons to be her friend. But you know how boys are. I mean, they're not going to say, hey, do you want to be my friend? So this little boy runs up to the playground and attacks her. He pulls her ribbon, okay, pushes her into the mud and runs off. And the little girl is left crying there and saying, Mommy, Mommy, you know, Jimmy or Tom or whoever is so mean to me. Basically, the little boy was trying to get her attention, to have her notice him so that, you know, he could play with her. But he did it in such a wrong way. This is exactly that little boy here who actually was wanting this, but came across as that little boy who was hurtful, mean, and pulled this Queen of Cups ribbons and pushed her, you know, off her throne. But you don't do that, not when you're an adult, right? When you do this as an adult, the Queen of Cups is not going to suffer a fool. She'll just release you, right? She doesn't suffer fools very easily. And now, instead of achieving this goal, this has happened. Okay, all is lost. If somebody is feeling neglected now, totally, Queen of Cups has turned her back on this masculine now, no longer giving attention, and this person is now feeling abandoned and neglected now. Now they want to end this fight. Five of Wands, Spirit. Five of Wands. Now they want to put in some work back again to somehow get over this anger, fight, resentment, whatever happened, because now they're realizing that whatever they did was absolutely not in order. Justice in reverse, Spirit. Justice in reverse. This person is deeply unhappy now, deeply, deeply unhappy at their own actions, and they want to take some action now. They want to move forward and put some work in, try and heal this fight. And yes, this they feel they've lost. They feel somebody has made a decision which is not in their favor. Okay, and it's making this masculine feel that there is no wish fulfillment now, there is no happiness now. Maybe they were feeling chuffed at one point when this Queen of Cups was giving them a little attention, but they got ahead of themselves and tried to act the boss or the little boy Jimmy, basically, with their ego. And that's why this card came out, right? Where was that? There was an ego card here as well. I don't know, I've lost it here. Where did it go? Okay. Your ego is fucking irritating me, right? Can't you see the value I would add to your life? So instead of seeing their value and appreciating this feminine, this person's ego got the better of them. Ace of Wands, Spirit. What is this action that they want to take? Now they want to take some action and break the silence which has come between this Queen of Cups and themselves. The masculine wants to take some action and speak their truth and maybe say something. They want to have communication. See, I told you this. What if you guys have stopped talking to each other now because of whatever has happened? Somebody here wants to take some action. They don't want the silence to remain for too long. They want to communicate with this Queen of Cups. This person really wants to now put in some kind of a work in this connection, because whatever mind games or whatever mean mind games, okay, this is not very kind energy. This is like I'm gonna hurt you just because I want to win. There is no logic to this. I hate this Five of Swords. This is like one person just stealing the other person's swords just to say, hey, listen, I'm the winner, you're the loser. It's just a game for them. But the whole point is that in this game, the person who lost was themselves. Because they've lost this Queen of Cups, they've lost their happiness, they've lost whatever little, even if this Queen of Cups was willing to give them the Nine of Cups, if not the Ten of Cups. Okay, they were still, I think, under judgment here. Even that's been taken away. So, Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. This person has been very, very stressed out. Now, I think since this argument, fight, or no talking has happened, this masculine has been really, really stressed out. They've actually felt alone. They felt surrounded by their own thoughts of the mistakes they've made, maybe in this connection, and now they want to come out of this overthinking, right? They feel like if I don't put in the work, this Queen of Cups is never going to return. And then finally, what will happen? My stability, my security, my happiness is going to go, and I'm going to feel like the loser. So now this person wants to work towards a reconciliation with this Queen of Cups and bring in a transformation to the connection. They don't want this to end, Scorpio. If you and this person are not talking, if you are the feminine here, please know that they don't want to end this. They are fearing it's over, but they do want to bring in a transformation so that they can start a new chapter with you once again. Okay, they want you to put down your defenses. They want to let go of this fight, and but they're a bit fearful right now. They're still thinking about it. I think they know they have to come with a solid apology, and their ego may, kind of be stopping them. But my advice would be, if you're the masculine, please go ahead and speak your truth if you want forgiveness. And feminine, if this person ever comes back to your life and wants a reconciliation, please make sure you are very clear about not accepting this kind of behavior ever again. Okay? This is not to be tolerated. So that's all I have for you. I hope this helped, Scorpio. If this is resonating with any of you, I would really appreciate just a click of a button or for a thumbs up. It helps me to know I'm reaching somebody there. Okay. Thank you so much. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.